Qi Men Dun Jia trainee program, what is it all about? Hi, my name is Dougles Chan. I am actually the Grand Master for this Qi Men Dun Jia, located in Singapore. So I've been doing this teaching of this Qi Men Dun Jia for many years already, and I have many batches across 28 different countries already, from US, Middle East, Japan, Australia, Asian, so on and so forth. But nothing to brag about, but end of the day is, for this particular new trainee program itself, I'm looking to groom people, and this process is going to be somewhat like this. So first of all, the person has to be selected in terms of to be roped into this particular thing. And then after that, they'll be filtered and see whether they are suitable. And the next step is they'll be going through a training program. Whether they self-learn or they go through a proper system of learning is up to them. There'll be a couple of packages available whereby they can choose. And at their own sweet time, they're able to learn, or they can learn in the proper weekly systematic classes, live classes conducted by myself or conducted by some of my students who are already a trainer. After that, once you are able to complete the lessons, we will give you a test. There will be a couple of questions, but of course case study. We will test you on theory, we'll test you based on practical itself, and at the same time, we will make sure that you are the right person to be able to pass the test. And once you're able to pass the test, we will invite you to become a trainee. And this training program itself will go to another level. There will be practical training. Practical training means that real case study training. Real case study whereby it will be on-the-job training. It will be around 3 to 6 months, either groomed by myself or by some of my trainers or consultants. And then eventually, what happens is that once you are ready, within the 3 to 6 months, provided that you put in effort, we will convert you into a consultant, or we call it a junior consultant. And then from there, you can start to become a consultant and do reading for other people. Eventually, if this is something you want to go into it, you can go for full-time, part-time, or even freelance, depending on what is your allocation of time, what is your commitment level. But of course, is this going to be the only route? We don't know. Maybe if you like to speak, if you like to become a trainer, you might want to become one of our trainers. We never know. You see? So to learn Qi Men Dun Jia is the part one of it. You need to go through the entire process. Don't expect yourself to learn the 3-day course and then become a master of it. Nah, it's not going to happen. This is totally BS. I'm going to tell you, it's really BS. You cannot master a skill just like that. It's impossible. You will learn the theory, you may not be able to understand the actual thing. So that's why my training program easily is 8 months to 10 months. And because of that, I will add on another 3 to 6 months for actual hands-on. That means practical training. So easily we're talking about 1.5 years. So it's not going to be easy, but end of the day, if the person is really willing to become this industry, to become a master, then I will handhold you to become the next master. Okay? So if you really are interested, come on board, join us. Get your friends to come in also. We can help a lot of people along the way. Because Qi Men Dun Jia is very powerful. Although it's mystical, but I think it's not really that mystical. There is a system, there is a way of doing things, and as long as you understand how the whole structure works, it's actually very scientific, very data proven. And from there, you're able to tell people who are very religious to say, all these are very superstitious. It's not superstitious. Once you understand the concept, you're able to prove it based on data and based on percentage. But anyhow, I think that's another story to argue about. So, really interested in to become a disciple, let us know, and then we'll get back to you. Thank you.